Bees sneeze. Huh? Achoo! I'll never be a pollen picker if I can't overcome my allergies. Huh? Achoo! Choo, choo! I sound like a choo-choo train. Maybe I should give up? Elder B gives Billy some advice. Well, you can give up or you can get going and try harder. If it is what you really want, you have to work for it. Elder B asks, do you like honey? Billy answers, yes, every bee likes to eat honey. Elder V continues, well, honey is made from pollen. We pollen pickers have a very important job. The hive would not have enough food if it wasn't for us. Oh, how can I stop sneezing so I can become a pollen picker? I will give nose plugs a try. Achoo! The plugs don't work. Billy sees the beekeeper getting honey from the hive. Billy gets an idea. He makes a mask. Billy can't wait to try it out. Billy flies to a flower. He breathes in. He doesn't sneeze. The mask works. There are many bees trying out for the few pollen picker jobs. Bees hurry from flower to flower to see who can gather the most pollen. And the winner is Billy B. Billy overcomes his allergies to do the best. He gets lots of honey too. We can all be like Billy and overcome obstacles in our own lives. Billy learns to overcome adversity and be the best bee that he can be. We learned that we can overcome obstacles and fix our own problems too.